Just a quick video on some LED lights. These lights came out of the 78 that I had. They weren't installed on my car. No floor lights under there, which is crazy. I would think some kind of lights would be under there. So we're gonna install these. We're replacing these halogen bulbs with these. And the glove box light, I've already placed it with LED, which is super bright. We're using these for that. That's the kind it takes. This is some 1893s, 1895s, quite a bunch of applications for this particular bulb. And we're using these number 57s. These are number 57s for these floor lights. They ground from where they bolt up at to the frame, and this is a spot on both sides for both these installed. And here's the height. So if I got everything ran already for both. I actually moved the trunk pop location so we can install this in the correct position, and we moved the trunk pop button down some, or the hatch pop button down. We moved it under this. So let me install these bulbs for you guys how one of them fit. Kind of turn out of here. Press down and just slot right there. You see it comes up out of it. Small right here, screwdriver. I have really small hands. So we're gonna put this in this direction here. And just twist it to lock in place. So it grounds up against here. The frame, it grounds up against here, which is ultimately here. So we're gonna do the other one, and we're gonna see how they look. That's a quick video on these. I've already ran wiring for them. I'm gonna show you. I kind of cleaned all these spots off so they can have a good ground. So let me install these, and I'll show you guys where they're located. I got everything installed. Turn some light on. So I cracked this like around the time when I first got the car, so that sucks, but look how it goes in this slot right there. Right, and we're in. Look at my wire ran. I'll have all of that when I'm done. Also, I didn't never show you guys, I don't think. I painted this really nice. Because they kind of get corroded and stop working. So I sprayed some white lithium down inside of here real good before I cleaned it up and painted it. So it should work great for a very long time, and it's definitely gonna be rust free for a long time. So I want to show that and show the other side. We got the lights on the other side too. There it is right here. Blue wire. Oh, I forgot to show the light for the door. These work when the door comes open, and the lights on the dome light comes on. But here's the wires for it, the black wire with the blue stripe. So we just tapped in there with this blue wire for both, on both sides. Just so you can see it. So we connected up there. And also the dash light. Put the trunk pop here. The glove box light, I'm sorry. The glove box light is there. Now I had all the wires in a little while. Not worried about that right now. Let's connect the battery and see how we looking in here. She look really, really nice. Turn on the headlight off first. And yeah, we should be nice. We should be looking real nice. Just want to knock that out the way so we can do this all in one step. Dual light should come on, and we should be lit up in the floors. I hope. So let's undo this. I see the door lamp on and the dome lamp. Let's see if we got something. Oh wow, yeah, that's it. That's it. Oh, look at the glove box. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. That's really nice. Really nice bright light for the glove box. When I set it up in here nice, it's gonna be lit. And that's nice. That is nice. Oh man, that looks beautiful. I got some really nice Cobra floor mats, so that's gonna look really nice. Beautiful white light to kind of accent this. So that looks really, really nice. You can see how bright it's shining just by looking over there, lit up over there. So glove box is nice. So when you push this on, it turns this off. Push it in, turn it off. When the glove box is closed, of course. So this runs to the clock. It was the same wires from the clock because it's constant power. So whenever you open the glove box, you're gonna have a light. So just want to show that and show this. But that looks really nice. So they gotta clean all this up, vacuum this up. This is from me drilling that other hole to make this fit perfect. The glove box, the pop trunk, the pop hatch to make that fit perfect. And I kind of figured it would have been a problem if I left it here because it protrudes out. This part protrudes out and it would have been an issue. So that's perfect how it is. Clean look too. All right, we're lit. Man, that looks nice. That looks really nice. It does. I can imagine when those nice Cobra floor mats go in here. Be nice. So we'll have all these wires with that kick panel, I believe it's called. And yeah, so I just wanted to show you guys this as I get closer to finishing this project, and I just want to try to show every single thing. Like I said, with this wiring, it goes identical to the clock for the glove box light, and this is it's grounded by the housing, those lights, and it taps into here for which is actually the line coming from here and goes to there. The same black wire with blue stripes, with a blue stripe. All right, guys, just a quick video. Like I said, I want to try to show everything as I close out. Also put some rust reformer here and on both sides. I didn't want to see that rust, so put rust reformer here. Sick of seeing it rust anywhere. So I'll be putting the dash panel on, or maybe do the glass first. No, I'll do the dash panel before I do the front windshield. So I'll be on the lookout for that. And yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that. So we're lit. Look at that, we're lit up. All right, thanks for watching. Terrence and I'm out. Oh, I forgot to show something on the last, when I installed this, the last video about these covers that I installed. I didn't show me installing those covers. That's really nice. So I was gonna wait to show them on the other seat, but might as well show them now. They're really nice. They just slip on and kind of lock in place behind this section. But they're really nice.